Humour. Definition: to do what someone wants to that they do not become annoyed or upset. Example: the teacher has tried to humor the reckless student with a short joke. Hunger. Definition: to want something very much. Example: many families hunger for better educational opportunities. Hurtle. Definition: to move very fast, especially in a way that seems dangerous. Example: cars hurtle down the highway at dangerous speed. Hypnotize. Definition: to keep your attention so strongly that you feel unable to move or look away. Example: the magician managed to hypnotize the audience with his class voice. Idealize. Definition: to think of or represent someone or something as perfect. Example: teenagers often idealize their favorite celebrities. Identify. Definition: to recognize a problem, need, fact, and to show that it exists. Example: scientists have identified a new species in the rainforest. Idle. Definition: if an engine or machine idles, it runs slowly but does not move or do any work. Example: the engine was left to idle while they waited. Idolize. Definition: to admire or respect someone very much. Example: she may idolize his grandmother for her strength and wisdom. Ignore. Definition: to give no attention or something no someone. Example: it is easy for you to ignore small problems until they grow larger. Illuminate. Definition: to light something and make it brighter. Example: Street lights illuminates the road at night. Illustrate. Definition. To show the meaning or truth of something more clearly. Example. The teacher may have used examples to illustrate the lesson. Imagine. Definition. To form or have a mental picture or idea of something. Example. Children often imagine fantastic world in their games. Imitate. Definition. To behave in a similar way to someone or something else. Example. Parrot can imitate human speech. Immerse. Definition. To become completely involved in something. Example. She has decided to immerse herself in the new culture. Immigrate. Definition. To come to live in a different country. Example. Many people immigrate in search of better opportunities. Immobilize. Definition. To stop something or someone from moving. Example. The injury may immobilize his arm temporarily. Immortalize. Definition. To cause someone to be remembered for a very long time. Example. Great literature can immortalize important historical moments. Immunize. Definition. To protect a person or animal against disease by putting a substance into the body to make it produce antibodies. Example. The campaign may have been helps to immunize thousands of villagers. Immure. Definition. To keep someone or something within a certain limits and prevent them or it from developing freely. Example. He felt immersed by the isolation of the remote village. Impede. Definition. To damage or weaken something so that it is less effective. Example. Lack of sleep can be impaired concentration. Impart. Definition: to communicate information to someone. Example: the speaker have to impart wisdoms to the audience. Impede. Definition: to make it more difficult for something to happen or more difficult for someone to do something. Example: heavy traffic can impede emergency services. Impel. Definition: to make someone feel that they must do something. Example: a sense of duty impelled her to act. Implant. Definition: to put an organ, group of cells, or device into the body in a medical operation. Example: doctors may implant a device to regulate the heartbeat. Implore. Definition: to ask someone to do or not to do something in a very sincere, emotional, and determined way. Example: she implored her friend to stay. Imply. Definition: to communicate an idea or feeling without saying it directly. Example: his silence seems to imply agreement. Import. Definition: to buy or bring in products from another country. Example: they have important machinery to improve production. Impose. Definition: to officially force a rule, tax, or punishments to be obeyed or received. Example: the school may impose strict rules on attendance. Impound. Definition: to take possession of something by legal right. Example: the authorities impounded the stolen car. Impress. Definition: to cause someone to feel admiration or respect. Example: the modern design will impress visitors immediately. In the next tutorial, I will bring you English word with meaning lesson. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icons to get latest videos notification and share my video among your friends. See you in future video.